wearing light shoes, walking down the shore, diving head first down to the ocean floor. Your dark brown eyes reflect fireflies, living bright nights, getting me high on life. It's a night to stay up late.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would have you guys spend the day with me today because today it's gonna be a busy one and it's kind of gonna be a day that I don't normally have, so I thought it would be fun to share. So right now it's 8:30 in the morning. I've got the kids off to school, Adam is off to work. I am actually traveling to Birmingham, Alabama today for work, but I am not leaving until this evening. So my flight is at 5 p.m. Normally I'm leaving at like 5 a.m. So this is kind of a nice change. I'm not gonna arrive until like 10 or 11 tonight. So basically I'm gonna be flexing some time today since I'm gonna be working late into the night. I have some things I need to get done around here at home during the morning. I need to work a little bit. I need to pack all of my stuff, make sure I have everything in order for Adam and the kids when I leave. So it's gonna be a busy day. Come along with me. And oh, it snowed. We had our first snow. So I have totally been using the dining room table as my office for the past several weeks because of this feller right here. We're still working on getting the last little steps of potty training done. He's doing great. He really hasn't been having many accidents. You can see he's very concerned sleeping in his bed, but it's been a lot easier for me to take him outside quickly if I'm working down here. So it snowed, yay. You can see here, it looks like we maybe have about an inch or so. I'm actually surprised that it's sticking, but it's very pretty. So November 15th, first snow of the year in Iowa. I'm doing some laundry upstairs right now so I can make sure that Connor's got enough things to wear while I'm gone. I had to wash a few things. So my plan today is to leave for the airport at 2:30. That will get me there about 3:15. I should get through security by 3:45 and my plane boards at 4:30. So we should be good to go. Fingers crossed that there's no delays or cancellations because of this snow. Today's the day we're getting Taylor Swift tickets. Well, maybe. That's the idea, is that we're gonna get Taylor Swift tickets. We got 7 minutes left, we'll see. Oh my God, I'm dead. There are 1,401 people ahead of you. You think I'm gonna get tickets? Oh God. Oh Lordy. So while you can't be sure that you will get Taylor Swift tickets, you can definitely be sure that Warby Parker has the best glasses around. Thank you so much to Warby Parker for sponsoring today's video. Warby Parker offers everything you need for happier eyes. They have eyeglasses, sunglasses, contact lenses, and even eye exams, and you can shop with them online or in stores. The best part is that their glasses start at just $95, including prescription lenses, and you guys can try Warby Parker's free home try-on program. You can order 5 pairs of glasses to try on at home for free. There's no obligation to buy. They also ship free, and there is an easy prepaid return shipping label included. So it's super easy to send them back. If you guys want to try out Warby Parker, you can try 5 pairs of glasses at home for free at warbyparker.com/Jen. Now let's see what I got in my try-on box. The question is, how many pairs of Warby Parker glasses do I have? One. I'll just count the ones I can see right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know I have a problem. You don't need to tell me. This may be my favorite try-on haul yet. This one is the Bromley in Blue Bonnet Tortoise. I love the blue in there. Fantastic. This is the Percy in Striped Sassafras. Okay, now this one I am not sure about. It's the Hawkins Polished Gold. I don't know. What do you guys think about this? I sort of feel like they're like a little bit vintagey. I kind of like them. I don't know, we'll see. This is the Haley in Opal Tortoise. I think honestly this one is my favorite. The best thing honestly about Warby Parker is that you really get to have time with the glasses because we all need time with our try-on pairs of glasses. But you can actually keep them here at home with you for several days while you try them on, get opinions from your friends and family. That way you make sure that you're getting the right pair. Okay, now I really like these too. They're very similar to these that I have. These are the Haskell clear, but the reason I like these is because they have this colored stem on the side. So yeah, but yeah, definitely recommend you guys try out Warby Parker. So if you guys want to try out Warby Parker, I'll have a link in the description box below. You can go to warbyparker.com/Jen to get your free home try on. That's warbyparker.com/Jen. Also, you can add a pair and save. You actually get 15% off when you purchase 2 or more pairs of prescription eyeglasses or sunglasses. And don't forget, if you prefer shopping in store, Warby Parker has over 190 retail locations throughout the US. Once again, that link is warbyparker.com/Jen. Okay, so it's 10:30. Here's what I'm eating for my brunch, I guess. I don't really prefer sweet breakfast, and a lot of times I don't even eat breakfast. I'll just eat an early lunch. So this is what I made because this is my new thing. Okay, so get a mac and cheese. This is Marie Callender's mac and cheese, okay? We all love mac and cheese, but you want to make it more filling, add some lean protein to it. These are the Tyson buffalo chicken strips. They don't have any breading. Get down, sir. They don't have any breading on them or anything. They're just buffalo flavored. I cook these in the air fryer, toss them with a little bit of extra buffalo sauce, and put them on top of the mac and cheese. I've been trying to really eat more protein so that I can stay full and eat less overall. So this has actually 20 grams of protein in it, and then the chicken has like 30. So it's like 50 grams of protein. I ate this for lunch yesterday, and it kept me full all afternoon till dinner. So what, you can't have buffalo. That's not gonna happen. Probably you should get down. Get down. Here, do you want some chicken? You guys sit. You guys sit if you want chicken. You want some? You can't do that though. You guys sit. 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 Good boy. You want some? You gotta sit too. Can you sit? Or if he's like, I'm too old for this shit. Sit down. Good boy. So apparently there's like big problems with the Taylor Swift tickets. Shocking, I know. I don't know if they didn't anticipate demand or what. Like, you would think after a global pandemic they would understand that people are probably wanting to get out and go to some concerts. Anyway, okay, so I'm just making sure I have everything I need. I know for sure that I need to put some extra shampoo and conditioner in my travel bag. I've also been packing some of my clothes up, folding some laundry. I got everything I needed to get done for actual work today. There was a meeting earlier that I was planning to dial into, but it got canceled, so darn, right? Okay, so I'm gonna take this. I got this at the salon a while back. It's from Davines. I think that's how you say it anyway. What am I missing? Anything? Bueller. This little cotton round holder is super cute. Love it. Okay, so I'm just working on getting my suitcase packed up. So I've got, let's see, I need 2 work outfits because I'm gonna be there for 2 days. So I'm gonna take one outfit, which is like, well, I'm gonna take 2 blouses because I want an option, and then a cardigan, undershirt. I've got another top, cardigan, undershirt, and 2 pairs of dress pants. I've got my shoes in here. Definitely, if you are packing with just a carry-on, which is always what I do because who wants to wait for their checked baggage, definitely roll your clothes because otherwise they're not all going to fit and you will not be able to get your suitcase on the plane. I also try to pack clothing items that are less bulky. Like I try not to pack, you know, like super bulky sweaters and things like that just because it's easier that way, but I don't always succeed. And a lot of what I find too is like in the past I've packed more like casual clothes, you know, in case we went out to dinner for something like that or something like that. But mostly what we've been doing recently is just going straight to dinner like right after we get done with work. And then obviously when I get back to my hotel, I can just put my comfy clothes on. So, you know, it works out either way, I guess, but it's just less clothes to have to pack. And like, I don't mind obviously going out to dinner in my work clothes. They're just like dress slacks, basically, anyway. Okay, I'm gonna zip this side up. I got my toiletries. Oh, I need to get my hair straightener. I also got all of Connor's clothes folded and put away in his room. The main thing with him is I wanted to make sure that he had enough swim stuff to get through the week. Kira obviously takes care of her own stuff, but I still have to help Connor out a little bit with his, oh, here's another pair of swim trunks for him. Obviously I have to help him out a little bit just to, you know, just to make sure that he's got swim trunks every day. It's easier to do that than to be without swim trunks in the, you know, 11th hour. Kira does her own laundry, so I feel like the Taylor Swift tickets are going to be a bust. We'll see. Okay, so it's about 3:15 and I'm just now getting to the airport. It was very obviously snowy and misty and rainy and cold today, and it was a huge bummer, but my first flight was actually delayed by an hour and 15 minutes, which was kind of frustrating. I was supposed to have a decent layover in Atlanta and I wanted to get some work done, but that didn't happen. So I flew from Moline to Atlanta. Once I got to Atlanta, I also found out that my next flight was going to be delayed from Atlanta to Birmingham. I guess that's the trade-off with flying later in the day, is that there is just more chances for delays, obviously the later in the day you get. So I think I got to Atlanta around 9 p.m. By that time I was super hungry, so I found something to eat. I actually did not end up flying into Birmingham until I think it was like a little after 11 p.m. And then I was able to get an Uber to my hotel, but I didn't make it to my hotel until almost midnight. So it was a super long day. You can see this is me taking off from Atlanta to Birmingham, how enthused I am about the whole thing. At this point, it was almost 10 p.m., which is definitely my bedtime when I'm at home. So I was definitely tired, but all was not lost, because guess what? While I was sitting at the airport, I was able to score some Taylor Swift tickets. So yes, we got tickets to see Taylor Swift in Chicago in June, and Kira is super excited because that is going to be her birthday present. And I was able to get some for a couple of her friends too. So not totally a bad day, right? Hey guys, good morning. I got here super late last night, like midnight. So I'm pretty tired this morning. I am looking forward to getting done with my workday so I could come back to my hotel and rest. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and head off to work. Thank you guys so much for spending the day with me. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and thanks again for watching. Don't forget to check out Warby Parker if you want some awesome glasses. I get all of my glasses from there, and I'll have them linked in the description box below, warbyparker.com/Jen, if you want to get your free home try-on. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.